I know
you watching, nigga. You a watcher. Nigga, you here at my event. What the fuck is you talking about? What's good, YouTube? It's AB Hard Buddy. We here with the one and only.
It's your Bradesky, Aaron the plumber, in a real way, man.
In a real way. We finna do last to get knocked out in Las Vegas. Winner get $1,000. You know what I'm saying? So do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and shit, turn me up.
Hey, you ain't qualified if you don't like, comment, and subscribe in a real way. If you don't subscribe to Bradesky channel, I need that pay in a real way.
And you heard it here first. Let's get it.
Yeah, I'm saying.
This is the same thing.
But look, it's an exhibition game. Like, it's 1 minute and 30 seconds. Y'all really shouldn't even be fighting that hard. Like, y'all ain't got shit to prove. You know what I'm saying? Y'all fight.
We all agree. Wait, all fighters. We all agree on that. I can see some of us in martial arts.
Somebody try to take my game off.
It's boxing about. No trying here to hurt nobody at all. We all got somewhere to go and a lady to be with.
Exactly.
How do y'all feel about the martial arts? Y'all agree?
Shit, we don't got a boxing. We don't got a boxing. Shit, I'm not tripping.
All right. So, we boxing here. You know what I'm saying? A minute 30 a round. 3 rounds. The winner get 1,000. Aaron gonna be deciding the winner.
The qualified fade, protect yourself at all times, Bradesky. You know what I'm saying? Keep going until I say stop hitting. Once the round is over, it's over, man. Do not stop hitting, man. Y'all go in the corner, y'all touch gloves. It's all love, man. You know what I'm saying? We finna hit shit in a real way, man.
All right, go ahead. Go ahead.
Ready?
Round 1.
Okay. Get jiggy in, man.
You got 1 minute.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm all in the corner.
Okay.
Focus on your stamina. Come on.
1 minute.
You gotta go all the way back. It's like literally the last little.
In a real way, man. You know what I'm saying? That's what I like to see.
You'll see all the cars.
Come on, get busy.
Just touching. Let's go.
Get busy, man.
Good work. It's good work. Just working.
Hands up.
30 seconds.
Hands
Okay.
up. Stay up. Hands up.
What's the time?
15 seconds. 15 seconds.
The other one got 10. We need countdown.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time.
Good work. Good work.
Put the guns down. Put the gloves up, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, win, lose, or draw, like Pokemon. Gotta catch them all. But that's it. Way though.
Are y'all ready?
In a real way. Yeah, man. We got the real girls.
Fight.
Gotta walk them down.
All the way back. All the way down. Yes. Literally, when you come all the way down, you turn left. You see it's straight up.
Come on. Get busy.
Right.
That was a good one.
Get busy. All right. Get in that paint with it. Get in that paint with it.
45 seconds.
Okay, good job. Good one, too. Keep your hands up. Ooh, good.
For that money. Let's go.
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Uh-oh.
Breathe. 10. Space. 9. Use your space.
8,
Breathe.
7,
6. 5.
Come on.
4.
Hands together. Hands together.
2.
Hands together. Hands together. real way. In a real way. Good shit. Hey, bro, breathe. Stand up, bro. Put your hands on top of your head like that. Make sure you breathe. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale out your mouth.
In a real way. Hey, they getting jiggy, man. They getting busy. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no coward stuff going on. Gloves up, guns down, man. In a real way, though, man. You know what I'm saying? 2025, we bringing this real shit back, Jack. Put the hammers down and get jiggy, man. In a real way.
Use your space.
You know what I'm saying? What's the time?
You got a couple more seconds.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Inhale. Inhale in your nose. Exhale out your mouth. For that.
You ready?
Alright, last round.
Last round. Touch blood. Touch blood. All right, everyone, that count. I can protect yourself at all times. Do not stop. Do not stop. Do not stop.
Stop the rope, stop the rope.
Do not stop. Do not stop. Use the nail ring. Protect yourself at all times. We're gonna hit him with a 10 count right here. You done again? 5, 6, 7, 8. You ready? 9.
He done.
He done. It's over with. Good work. Great work. Great work. Hey, good shit, little bro. Who hands is qualified, man? Who hands is qualified, man, for the $1,000 today, man? That's what we need to know. Okay. Round 1. Brothers, y'all touch gloves. Protect yourself at all times. Do not stop hitting till I say stop, man. You know what I'm saying?
Round
all right, let's get in a real way. All right, y'all get jiggy.
Damn.
Get on there. 1 minute.
Take your time.
It's 8 minutes.
That's 3 rounds.
You winding that motherfucker up.
Get busy here. In a real way. In a real way. Good squabble. Good squabble right here. Okay.
30 seconds. 30 seconds. Here.
Ball up me.
30 seconds.
What's that?
20. Hit us with the 10-second count. Get busy. Come on, man. Get busy. 10, 9, 8, 7.
Switch it up, body up, body up. Go yup.
For sure.
That's them woods and backwoods and gravel leaves catching up to you, boy. I can tell. You alright?
Good work. Good work. Good work. 45 seconds. 45 seconds. Let me get that water, man. Come on. Let me get the waterfall, man. That was good, bro. I'm for water. Yeah, I just want brother to get his fair squabble. Ready? Go. Protect yourself at all times. Round started.
Fight.
Hey, come on. Damn.
Get in there.
Bang out. Back for second round.
We believe in bang outs, bro.
Get your breath back.
1 minute. Yeah.
done? I'm gonna throw up. Hold on. You done?
Hold on now.
All right, we gonna take count. One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That boy,
6,
discombobulated.
7, 8, 9, 10. It's over with. Hey, it's over in a real way. Good shit, good shit. Good. Good. You did your shit, bro. You just gotta work on that cardio, man.
Yeah, they gotta work on his breath.
In a real way. Stand up, bro. Stand up. Put your hands behind your head, bro.
Yeah, so open your
Inhale in
wind
your
up.
nose and exhale out your mouth.
Yeah, to open your wind up, dog.
Inhale. Take deep breaths, bro. Exhale. Inhale, exhale, bro. You good.
Just catch your breath, that's all.
You know what I'm saying? But hey, you put on a hell of a performance, bro. Much respect to you, man. In a real way, man. Hold on. Touch gloves. Y'all go to your corner.
Round one. Fight.
Hit. Hit southpaw.
Oh, we see. It's jiggy, man. It's jiggy with you. Okay.
Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Yeah.
Walking.
Okay, good job.
Get in there, bro. Punch on that shit, bro. Seconds.
Let's go, man.
Get in there, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, make it count. Don't back the seconds. 15 seconds.
Let's go, man.
Referee, bro. What you mean? No, nigga. What you mean? No, nobody worried about you. We can get out of here. Can't start eating some water.
Open your
I don't want to stop. I can't. I'm not gonna sit there with no stamina. I can't breathe.
Deep breaths. Alright, y'all ready? Oh, you quit? Yeah. Damn! First round. Damn!
What you mean you just quit, bro?
Shit, he tired, bro.
What you mean? No, he gotta get up, bro. He gotta get up.
He tired.
The ref on some weak shit, bro.
What you mean some weak shit?
Some weird shit, bro.
Oh, me and you could get it right now. Bro, what you mean? What's happening?
I'm gonna need a breather.
Yeah, for sure. We're gonna let you get a good breather.
I'm not saying I'm gonna win or nothing.
Bro, come on, you gotta be confident, man. You can't be saying you're gonna lose or none of that shit. You gotta say, I'm gonna bang this nigga. No. I'm gonna bang this nigga, man. You know what I'm saying?
Pause. What you say, man?
He say he gonna bang it. That's like no.
I'm from Cali, man. We don't do none of that Diddy call shit.
That shit wasn't Cali.
You know what I'm saying? We bang niggas, man. You know what I'm saying? They always trying to turn it into something homosexual.
Y'all ready?
Y'all touch gloves. I'm gonna tell you, protect yourself at all times. Or if he put his hands down, that do not mean don't hit him. You keep hitting him till the round is over. You seen Floyd Mayweather do it plenty of times, knock people out when they wasn't ready, man. Protect yourself at all times. Come on, let's get jiggy, man.
Round one. Fight.
Off the rope, off the rope.
Watch your feet.
Okay, get busy. Get busy. Come on, get busy.
Keep your balance. 45 seconds.
Get a real way. Yeah, bro know how to protect himself on mine.
Don't waste all your energy out.
30 seconds.
Good hit, good jab, good jab.
Niggas getting down now.
I'm on it, man.
Come on, get busy.
Don't do that.
Get busy.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Good shit, bro.
All right, y'all got 35 seconds in the corners.
Good shit. You got some water, bro?
You about to get some right here, hold up.
Breathe. Breathe, man.
Going smart up here.
Foul.
I see this right here. He wait till that time. He go, you get attacking them bodies and shit, yo. All right, round two.
Thanks, man.
Go. All right, let's get it.
Round two. Fight.
Okay, hold on.
Hold on.
All right, go. Come on, man.
You see the vision?
Oh, good jab.
Standing out.
Oh, good hook. Good hook.
Set it up. 1 minute. 1 minute. Counter. Slip and counter. 45 seconds.
Boy, get this Joe Louis on.
Yes.
Breathe.
40 seconds.
My boy fast up.
Yeah. Set it up. 30 seconds. Yup. Oh, yeah. Keep working. 20 seconds. You see the vision? 15, 14, 13.
Breathe. Whoop that nigga, man. Move.
4, 3.
2, 1.
Good shot. Good shit. Both of y'all. Hey, can we clap it up for that round, man?
Hey,
It's not even that niggas don't want it or nothing. Niggas can't breathe.
Y'all better lay off the weed, man.
Black
Lay off the weed.
and shit. That's literally all it is. Can't breathe. Even going just 1 minute, 3 rounds.
You still fighting or you?
Hey.
Round 3. That's the round that count, man.
patient, you got it, bro.
Man.
Breathe.
That's the money round.
Just move around that round if you got to. Move.
all right, y'all ready? All right, let's get it.
All right, y'all about to even. Y'all about even, man. This the one that count.
I'm not starting the clock to the first punch is thrown. I'm not starting the clock to the first punch is thrown.
All right, get busy. Start it now.
Bro, y'all want to start? All right, let's get it.
There it is. This the round and count, man. $1,000 on the table.
Don't let him push you into a
I want
space.
that 1,000.
That's what he's trying to do.
I want that 1,000, man.
Leave it right now.
I know y'all trying to buy some weed after this. Come on. Get busy, man. This is the one that counts. This is the one that... Okay. Break. Stop the time. All right. Hold on. Reset, bro. Get in this corner. Y'all get in this corner, man. All right, ready?
All right, let's go.
Time. Come on, this is the one that count, man. Get busy. Get off them ropes. Get off them ropes.
Let's get it.
Okay.
Take on.
Woo. Get off them ropes. Stay on him. Stay on him.
Sorry, his energy.
Stay on him.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Somebody need to get busy. Somebody need to get busy. Real quick.
Get active. You start doing something. 30
Come on,
20 seconds. 20 seconds.
What's that combo
You
together?
win the round. You start doing something.
Somebody need to get busy.
Win the round.
Who taking it home?
14.
Who taking it home? 12. Who taking it home? 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4.
Alright, so look. I said give a minute. One more minute. They can do one more minute.
That was a tie. That was a tie. That was a tie.
Split the money on one more round.
30 more seconds.
Whoever gets the most noise.
Yeah, like ready to make noise.
All right, that's what we're going to do. Hey, okay, everybody, check it out.
Who's leaking though?
Split it.
It don't matter.
We'll have to go one more round.
It don't matter.
Come on, you got 3 people here cheering for him. How the fuck's that gonna even make sense?
Honestly, bro, he hitting. He applying the pressure, but bro fundamentals is right there and he's still tapping back. So it's like a draw to me. I can't say who won because bro started banging at the end and brought it back even. You feel me? 45 seconds.
45 seconds.
Bro, you gotta stay. Bro, when you didn't throw that punch, you should have threw that motherfucker.
45 more seconds, alright? Go ahead, take those.
That's the money in the background.
Alright, let's hit it.
Let's get it. How many seconds? 45. Get busy. This is around that count. $1,000. Who going home with 1,000? Who going home with 1,000?
They tweaking. OG over there trying to fuck him up. OG trying to fuck him up.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Hey, man. Guard yourself at all times.
Start the time back up. Bro, stay off them ropes.
Stay off the fucking ropes. Right. Meet me in the middle. Meet me in the middle.
Side step.
Meet me in the middle.
Bro,
gotta stop using his body.
That nigga boo.
You ready? That's good. That's good. Y'all back up. Y'all
24 seconds.
Hold on, everybody. We got another legend in the building. You know what I'm saying? We got my big bro, CML Lavish D. You know what I'm saying? One of the hottest rappers in California in a real way. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to ask Bradesky too. Bro, how do you feel about the squabble you just witnessed? What do you think? Which one of these gentlemen would you get a squabble to?
Man, shit, they were both doing their thing.
In a real way, they was both.
They thing.
That
He
was,
had more. He had more power punches.
yeah.
So he had more power punches. He had more combos. You know what I'm saying? It was neck and neck though, for real, for real.
In a real way, man.
He for sure landed more, for sure.
For surely. Hey, we gonna give it to bro. We're gonna give it to bro. But hey, just on some, hey, where bro at? Where other bro that was fighting? Hey, bro, I'm gonna give you some paper out of my own money, bro, on mama's. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate that, man. Hey, it was too close to dictate. I'm gonna give you $200, bro.
You hurt. You mad you almost lost to a nigga that weighs 60 pounds less than you. You hurt, nigga.
Hey, bro.
It don't matter. It don't matter, bro. It don't matter. He's still fighting. He's still fighting. He's still fighting, bro. Don't be no poor sport, bro. You tapped out. Bro, you tapped out, bro. Don't be no poor sport. For real, bro. Don't be no poor sport. He's still fighting.
Don't be no poor sports, bro.
I'm not. He should say nothing. He should say
Nobody was talking about trash.
Keep you in your shit, nigga. Bro, you tapped out, bro. Don't be no poor sport.
That's all right.
He's still fighting.
You quit. He's still fighting.
This nigga bucks.
You grown like that. You don't box too? He box. You box? You don't box? Do I look like I box?
Do it look like I box? Does it look like he box?
You watching, nigga. You a watcher. Nigga, you hear my bitch. What the fuck is you talking about?
Come on, 20 now, chill out. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Saying if you gotta resort to getting a hammer on a fade, you's a bitch, nigga. Period. You know what I'm saying?
On me and his AB hard body and shit. We was gonna try to give out $1,000, but they done fucked it up. You know what I'm saying?
Fucked up they been.
So shit.
Hey man, you just got a free event, nigga. What you mean, nigga?
On me.
Free event.
Then we gonna give him 500, man. You know what I'm saying? In a real way. Hey, bro, I know you just came home. Moving forward in life, you know what I'm saying? Don't be a statistic to recidivism. You know what that is? You feel me? Going back to the pen, being a repeat offender, bro. Get involved in these trades. You know what I'm saying? Stay in the gym. Stay away from the sucker shit, bro. You know, in a real way. At all times.
All right, so boom, look. Niggas start tripping, and you know we had to do what we had to do. I gave 3 people, I gave one person 500, I gave another person 500, and I gave another person 400. I gave him 200, Aaron the plumber, gave him another 200. You know what I'm saying? We get into the final round, somebody wanted to ask me, am I a boxer? You know what I'm saying? I had to answer his question. I said, do I look like a boxer? Do I look like I'm boxing you? You know what I'm saying? He says, oh, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to line it up with you. I'm like, bro, you at my event. Matter of fact, security, come get this nigga at this point. Cause bro, stop playing with me. You trying to get me out of character at my event and shit. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna let the security handle you. But I ain't gonna lie, I had a couple, you know what I'm saying, people with me, they was not going for that, you know what I'm saying? They was not going for that, they was pressing the issue. And shit, y'all gonna see what happened in the video, you know what I'm saying? They got a little chaotic, but besides that, you know what I'm saying, we still doing our shit, we still gonna turn up. We can't let the haters, you know what I'm saying, fuck us off or knock us off our mission. I don't know what's up with the hate. It's so much hate out there, you know what I'm saying? People be hating, you know what I'm saying? I threw my first content event today, and of course, we got haters, you know what I'm saying? You got people on the sideline, they wanna go back and forth with people that's boxing. I'm like, bro, why you beefing with the dude that's boxing? You know what I'm saying? Like, he got more heart than y'all. Y'all gonna see in the video. These niggas tapped out in the first round, bro. 1 minute and 30 seconds of fighting. They down like Ryan Garcia taking knees, but they wanna go beef with bro who done fought like 3-4 fights up until this point. So, yeah, it's like, bro, why is y'all tripping with him? Why y'all so mad at him for doing something that y'all not doing or y'all coulda did, you know what I'm saying? So I fuck with bro who put up a fight and shit, you know what I'm saying? He got $500. So, you know what I'm saying? If you're new to the channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and shit, just turn me up in a real way, you know what I'm saying? Fuck with me, don't fuck without me. And yeah, that's it. It's AB Hard Body. And yeah, man, shit, I'm out to the next time. And in the comment section, you know what I'm saying? Leave what y'all want to see. Maybe we might do something like this. but with females, you know what I'm saying? We might do something like this, but with females, you know? So if you fucking with the content, like I said, just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and shit, turn me up.